Did you know that yawning while eating actually enhances your sense of taste? Here's the weird science. When you yawn, your jaw stretches wide, which increases airflow to your nasal passages. This amplifies your ability to smell food. And here's the thing, taste is 95% smell. Your olfactory receptors go into overdrive, making every bite taste more intense. Plus, yawning triggers a rush of saliva, which helps break down food faster and releases more flavor compounds. Scientists call this the olfactory gustatory connection. So next time you're eating something bland, try a good yawn first. Your taste buds will thank you. Follow for more mind-blowing food facts.